Hey everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about Windows 11 latest stable update and some of Windows' most prominent features. So let's start the video. The version of this build is 22,000.613. It is currently the latest one. We are recording this on 21st April 2022. First feature we are going to discuss is about notification. You can completely block notifications. Just go to the Start menu and search for notifications. You can also disable notifications on lock screen and also disable sounds of notifications. The second most prominent thing is Bootup Time of Windows 11. It is increased significantly, especially for AMD processors like I have here. Next one is also related to notifications. Windows 11 can now show up to 3 high-priority notifications. You can also expand calendar if you want. And next one we have is widget. You can simply right-click the taskbar and click taskbar settings. Third option here is widgets. Enable it and you have many widgets to choose from depending on your likings. Next thing is also related to taskbar. Just scroll down a little and look for taskbar behavior. Here you can now select your all-time favorite taskbar style to the older style, which was left side. Widget will then relocate after the Start menu button. The next thing we have here is in File Explorer. Open the File Explorer and hover over your mouse on Maximize option. You have quite some options here to choose from. You can either select 4 Windows option or 2 Windows option. You can also put window on either left or right. You can also make the window a little smaller than the other one. Next thing we have here is very important, that is security. Open Windows Security Program and go to Device Security. It says your security processor called Trusted Platform Module TPM is providing additional encryption for your device. Select Security Processor Details. You can here check the details about TPM. You can check the status of security here as well. Next thing we have here is about Media Player. Search for Media Player in Start menu. Microsoft has combined audio and video player in one app. It looks great. Last but not least, we have new Notepad in Windows 11. Create new text file. I have Notepad++, so I will choose Open with 2. Select New Notepad. Looks really cool, right? So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in next video.